Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to keep your footwear in top-notch condition. Ever pulled out your favorite pair of kicks only to find them covered in disgusting mold? Yeah, it's a nightmare. Mold not only looks gross but can also damage your shoes if not treated properly, but don't worry, I'm here to help you say goodbye to moldy shoes for good. With a few simple steps, you can restore your shoes to their former glory. Let's dive into some easy step-by-step cleaning tips to get your shoes looking fresh and mold-free without causing any damage. First things first, safety. It's crucial to protect yourself when dealing with mold. Always wear gloves and a mask when dealing with mold. This will prevent you from inhaling harmful spores and protect your skin from irritation. Mold spores can be harmful, so make sure you're protected. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your health. Got it? Great, let's get started. We're going to tackle this mold problem head-on. Step 1. Take your shoes outside. This is important because you don't want to spread mold spores inside your home where they can settle and grow. You don't want to spread mold spores inside your home. By taking your shoes outside, you minimize the risk of contaminating your living space. Give them a good shake to knock off any loose mold. Easy, right? This will make the cleaning process more effective. Step 2. Make a cleaning solution. You'll need something that can kill the mold without damaging your shoes. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water. Vinegar is a natural mold killer, and it's gentle on most materials, making it perfect for this job. Vinegar is a natural mold killer, and it's gentle on most materials. Plus, it's something you probably already have at home. Dip a cloth in the solution and gently wipe down the affected areas. Make sure to cover all the moldy spots. Don't soak the shoes, just a light wipe will do. Step 3. Scrub gently. This will help remove any mold that's clinging to the surface. Use a soft bristled brush or an old toothbrush to scrub away any stubborn mold spots. Be gentle to avoid damaging the material. Be gentle to avoid damaging the material. You don't want to ruin your shoes while trying to save them. For really tough spots, you can dip the brush in the vinegar solution for extra cleaning power. This will help break down the mold more effectively. Step 4. Rinse and dry. Once you've scrubbed away the mold, rinse the shoes with a cloth dampened in plain water. This will help remove any leftover cleaning solution. Once you've scrubbed away the mold, rinse the shoes with a cloth dampened in plain water. This helps remove any leftover vinegar solution and ensures your shoes are clean. This helps remove any leftover vinegar solution. Make sure to get all the nooks and crannies. Now the most important part, drying. Proper drying is crucial to prevent mold from returning. Stuff your shoes with newspaper to help them keep their shape and absorb moisture. This will speed up the drying process and prevent any warping. Place them in a well-ventilated area, but avoid direct sunlight, which can cause fading or cracking. A shaded spot with good airflow is ideal. Let them air dry completely before wearing them again. This ensures that all the moisture is gone and reduces the risk of mold returning. Step 5. Prevent future mold. Prevention is key to keeping your shoes mold-free in the long run. Store your shoes in a cool, dry place. Avoid damp areas like basements or garages where mold is more likely to grow. Consider using silica gel packets or activated charcoal to absorb moisture. These can be placed inside your shoes or in your storage area to keep things dry. And remember, always let your shoes dry out completely before storing them away. This simple step can make a big difference in preventing mold. And there you have it. With these easy steps, your shoes will be mold-free and ready to rock. No more worrying about mold ruining your favorite pairs. With these easy steps, your shoes will be mold-free and ready to rock. You'll be able to wear them with confidence, knowing they're clean and safe. Got any other shoe care tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome shoe care videos. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep your footwear looking its best. Thanks for watching and keep those kicks looking fresh. Catch you later. Until next time, happy cleaning.